Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Today I've got another unboxing for you. We've got a Banks intercooler that we're going to be opening up. I'm going to be having it installed by a shop, so there won't be a video of that, but I will give you some detail on what it looks like, how it compares to the stock one once I get that part back, and we're going to go ahead and open the box. This is my new Banks Techni-Cooler. Again, it's a 2011 to 2016 LML. There is the part number, and I ordered the cooler without the pipes, so hopefully they didn't send me the pipes. I don't know, I haven't opened the box yet. Whirly Fab is doing my pipes, so I don't need their charge pipes, but the inlet and outlet on this thing is 3.5 inches, and most aftermarkets or tubes are going to be 3 inches, which means you're going to need a 3 to 3.5 inch adapter. And they did not send me the pipes, but look at the size of this thing, man. I mean, this is, I haven't seen the stock one out of the truck. Oh nice, we got some stickers. These will go on the fridge. So yeah, I haven't seen the stock one out of the truck, but I have seen comparison videos online, and I can tell you it's quite a bit smaller than this. This is just enormous. I mean, I don't know if you can really tell from this angle, but look at the size of these inlet and outlets, man. This is enormous. Really excited to get this on here. Look at how thick it is. It is heavy too. This is not a light little cheap intercooler. This is let's see what it is. I don't know if you can see that there. 3 inches thick. I think the stock one's about an inch, inch and a half. And with the inlet and outlet being what they are, I think this is going to flow a lot better. It's going to hold a lot more volume. It's going to lower EGTs, lower the intake temp, especially with 2 turbos, and I think it's really going to perform pretty well. So some people say you don't need them. I think if you're towing heavy and if you're racing and stuff, maybe you do, maybe you don't. But unfortunately, I won't be able to compare with and without because it's all going at the same time, but I'm excited, and it looks really high quality. I don't see any damage. They do offer it in black as well, I believe. And this is the back side, so I'm going to try and stand it up here and see if I can show you the front. There you go, guys. There's the front of it. It is nice. It's got these, I don't know if they're cast end tanks. They've got banks cast into the side. They got banks on the front and banks on the other intake there. So it's pretty. It's well made. It's huge, and it was between this and Mishimoto, and I think this is probably gonna outflow Mishimoto, and they're probably both equally well made, but I think Banks puts a lot of time and money and research into their products, and so I'm confident with the purchase here as opposed to Mishimoto. So there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and get the sticker on my fridge. There it is, guys. We're adding to our little wall of stickers. We got King, Fox, PPE, Banks, and many more to come. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.